Welcome home to the Terravista floor plan by David Weekley and the highly sought-after Waterset community. This beautifully well-kept 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home also features an office. The open-concept floor plan includes a spacious family room right off the kitchen, perfect for entertaining or enjoying the big game with friends. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, outfitted with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample cabinetry for all your storage needs. The built-in buffet in the dining room provides additional storage and a sleek, functional space for guests and dinners. The open design ensures a seamless flow from the kitchen to the dining room and family room, leading out to the rear lanai and a beautifully landscaped expansive backyard with private conservation views. The primary room features 3 large windows that fill the room with natural light, and a massive walk-in closet that rivals the size of most bedrooms. The ensuite bathroom offers double sinks and an oversized shower. The split floor plan provides privacy, with 2 secondary bedrooms and a shared bath. The office space, which could easily convert to a 4th bed, offers privacy for remote work or gaming. This home sits on a corner lot, offering a covered entryway and a secondary courtyard-style patio for outdoor enjoyment. Waterset is a master-planned community featuring resort-style amenities, including 3 community pools, sports courts, walking trails, parks, and more. So why wait? This home has it all and won't last long. Schedule your showing today.